Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today in our A to Z series we have the alphabet F, and from F we'll be talking about acupressure points for fissures or fistulas. Let us start this video then. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. So let us firstly discuss about the acupressure point. So our acupressure point is again on the front side of our hand. So yesterday we had discussed this CV6 point, right? Just in the same line, if we go downwards, then over here is the point. How will you locate it? Okay, when we'll bend our ring finger like this inwards, okay, like if we bend our ring finger palmar side like this, so wherever your ring finger is touching, is the point. Let me mark. See, this is the point. Okay, this point is called as CV12, conceptive vessel meridian 12. Again, look at it. So wherever our ring finger is touching like this, then this is called as CV12 point. So what we will do, we will press this point. This point is located on both the hands, so we will press this point for 30 seconds to 1 minute on both the hands, and then we'll apply one magnet on this point. Again, we will take today also chakra magnet, but the side of the chakra magnet will change. And if you are not having the magnets and if you want to buy them, then you can see our contact details. You can WhatsApp us and buy magnets for yourself. Okay, so we'll apply chakra magnet in such a way that the inner white side of the chakra magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you can see this part of the chakra magnet. Again, see, this side, the inner white side of the chakra magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you will see this part of the chakra magnet. Okay, that means we need to reduce the energy of this point. Do apply this magnet on both the hands. Do apply it for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tip away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use it for lifetime. So do this treatment daily and you will definitely find the results. Please do remember, doing it for a day or two won't give you any results. Please do continue it in long term also. So that's all for today. Thank you so much everyone. If you found our video interesting, then please do subscribe our channel.